The RC Pet Products Wide Dog Clip Collars offers a cute, Back to the Wild, Berry Mojito, Blue Buffalo Plaid, Calypso, Canadiana, Conic Sounds, Fringe, Hexacum, In a Nutshell, Maltese Cross, Modern Damask, Nautical, Nirvana, Pink Buffalo Plaid, Pink Comic Sounds, Pitter Patter Camo, Pitter Patter Chocolate, Pitter Patter Pink, Red Tartan, Tan Tartan, Tropical Paisley, Urban Woodsman, Vogue and Wilderness colors to choose from, is given a rating of 4.6 out of 5 stars and it will set you back around $19. The dog is available in 5 different sizes. It has a retail price of $16.99 and has a rating of 3.8 out of 5 stars. The Lupin Pet 1-inch adjustable dog collar for medium to large dogs will set you back around $10.23 and is given a rating of 4.3 out of 5 stars. It can be found in 6 different colors and offers 2 different sizes to choose from. The Rods Utility Extra Large one is rated at 4.6 out of 5 stars. This product will set you back